Hello and welcome back. So we're going to go over topic 1, cell biology GCSE. Now this video is all about cells. So cells can be either eukaryotic or prokaryotic. Eukaryotic cells are complex and they include animal plant cells, whereas prokaryotic cells are simpler and smaller, including bacteria. The different parts of the cell are called subcellular structures, and we're going to go over these. So eukaryotic cells. So they have a nucleus which contains genetic material. This controls the activities of the cell. You've got the cytoplasm, which is a gel-like substance, and this is where most of the chemical reactions happen. It contains the enzymes that control these chemical reactions. We've got the cell membrane. Now the cell membrane holds the cell together, and it also controls what goes in and out of the cell. You've got the mitochondria, which is where most of the reactions for aerobic respiration takes place. We also have ribosomes. These are where proteins are made in the cell. So a good way to remember that ribosomes make proteins is that ribs are proteins. And ribs is in the word of ribosomes. So here we have an image of an animal cell. We've got the nucleus, which contains the DNA, which controls the cell. We've got the cytoplasm where reactions take place, the cell membrane controlling what can go in and out of the cell. We've got the mitochondria here, which is aerobic respiration, and we've got the ribosomes. We've got the ribosomes here, which synthesize proteins. So we have plant cells. These are also eukaryotic cells, and they contain the same subcellular structures as animal cells. However, they have some extra subcellular structures. So we have the cell wall, which is made of cellulose. This supports the cell and it strengthens it. We also have a permanent vacuole. This contains cell sap, which is a weak solution of sugar and salts. And we have the chloroplast, which is where photosynthesis takes place. The chloroplast contains chlorophyll, which is where the light is absorbed, which is needed for the photosynthesis. So here we have an image of a plant cell. We've got the nucleus here again, containing the DNA, the mitochondria for aerobic respiration, the chloroplast here, which is for photosynthesis. We've got the cell membrane controlling what goes in and out, the cell wall giving us structure, and the vacuole and the cytoplasm. And we have bacteria cells. Bacteria cells are prokaryotic cells. They contain cytoplasm, cell membrane, and a cell wall. They are single circular strands of DNA that float freely in the cytoplasm, and they may also contain one or more small rings of DNA called plasmids. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.